In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new opportunity to your pipeline with the right details so it's easy to track and report on. First, open Freshsales and head to the left-hand menu. Look for the section labeled Deals. This is your pipeline hub, where every opportunity is organized by stage and value. Click Deals to open the board or list view, depending on how your account is set up. If your screen shows multiple pipelines, make sure you're in the one where this opportunity belongs so your reports stay accurate. Next, start a new record by selecting the plus New Deal button. You'll usually find it near the top of the screen. This opens a clean form where you'll capture the core information that defines the opportunity. Begin with the deal name. Choose a title that's clear and consistent, like the product or service plus the organization or region. The goal is to make it instantly recognizable to anyone on your team. A consistent naming style helps you search and filter later without guesswork. Now enter the amount. This should reflect the expected value of the opportunity. If you use a specific currency, confirm it matches your account settings. Don't worry about perfection here. Amounts can be adjusted as you learn more. Just aim for a realistic estimate that aligns with what you plan to sell and any pricing you've discussed. Set the stage next. Stages mirror your sales process, from early qualification through closing. Pick the one that reflects where this deal truly is today. Accurate stages drive accurate forecasts, so choose thoughtfully rather than optimistically. If your team uses multiple pipelines or custom stages, select the option that best matches your current workflow. Finally, link the opportunity to a contact or lead. This connects your deal to the person or company you're working with, so emails, calls, and activities all roll up into one place. Start typing to search for the right record and select it. If multiple similar records appear, choose the one you actively engage with most, so your history stays clean and useful. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new deal is created and added to the pipeline. You'll see it in your board or list view at the stage you selected, ready for forecasting and follow-up. From here, you can continue managing the opportunity as it progresses, updating details over time to keep your pipeline accurate. That's it, quick, clean, and organized. You've successfully created a deal in Freshsales.